Hello, this is Mike Zero, Mike Charlie X-ray, over. It's unbelievable. What I'm actually doing today is I'm jury rigging everything, take on holiday, you see. So this is what I suggest you do. If you're ever going away on a holiday, just start to lay it out. I mean, the next thing I've got to do is the laptop, I'm going to plug it in, just make sure my logging software works. I think I've got Ham Radio Deluxe installed as well. So that all works out to the antenna field, because this is the coax I wanted to use. You see, it's my holiday cover. So all I've done is I've just plumbed it in to the thingy here. Just make sure it works. So it's probably on 10 meters. That's getting on for 400 or 500 feet of coax. Anyway, it still works, which is quite good. So that's the 12.4 signature. I think that's my first 10 meter contact on that. I've got an expedition pole outside. I'm just going to rig that up. All I've done is I've laid it up against this tree, put some radials on it, and I'll do a quick test before I go. But you don't need, guys, if it's temporary, just lay the thing over a tree, look. So, okay, just a tip. If you're ever going away or going on a trip, get a table out, lay out what you want to do, see if you can make a contact with exactly what you're taking with you, and then you can't go wrong. I will see you when I'm in Cornwall. All right, all the best.